I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Chicken salad is one of our favorites. We've done that for a super long time, and
it's a go-to. It's just fast and easy when you just want a quick snack.
And to think about it, when you actually make chicken salad normally without our Thrive chicken, you have to thaw it or chop it, wash it, cook it, brown it, disinfect your counters.
Sanitize.
Everything, right?
Yeah.
It's so much work.
Even buying a roasted chicken, I've tried doing that to save time, but it really doesn't. You've got to debone everything, and that's, I think, worse.
I think so. And that's why with our Thrive chicken, that is a go-to every single time. You can actually use it in soups and it's just so fast. That's what it looks like. It's great. We're gonna
have some images to show you. So we'll just start by sprinkling in some chicken. We're just gonna make a single serve, so it doesn't need to be a lot. Okay, and then from there, we have the chicken in there. We're going to just add a little bit of our celery. I love that it's already washed and chopped. A little bit more? Thought about good?
Yeah.
That's about good.
And then a little bit of onions. All right. Now we'll also put some grapes in there just to add a little bit of extra.
We'll break it up because
Yeah.
there also will be very big
Sure.
chunk of grapiness. Because they are bigger pieces, so we just break it up so it refreshes faster.
And these are nice just to eat just like that out of the can.
Oh, it's like candy sweet.
It is.
Okay.
All right, very good. Now we're just gonna, sorry?
Should we put a little chef's choice in there?
Oh, right,
Just
sorry,
some
just about
flavors.
forgot that. The chef's choice is nice. This is our go-to, our favorite. And we're just gonna,
Some all-purpose seasoning. There's pepper and garlic and salt and everything in there. So yummy.
okay.
So we'll just add a little water to get everything refreshed.
Oh, look at the color of the grapes. It's already starting to pop.
And I don't add too much water just because it will refresh the rest of the way once we add a little mayo. Man, that smells good.
It's amazing. Okay, then we're gonna be adding a little bit of mayo to that.
Or a lot. Just kidding. And a squirt of mustard. You don't have to add the mustard if you don't like it, but we
It just adds a little bit of tang to the chicken. It makes it really quite nice.
tang. Mustard,
does.
tang. I think the tang comes from the mayo.
Oh,
But I like tang and mustard.
would you stop it?
It's easy.
You're picking on me.
I'm not. I love it. We usually let this sit for 10-15 minutes. You can let it chill in the fridge just so that everything refreshes and the flavors meld a little.
Yeah,
It doesn't take long.
I like to leave it in the fridge so it chills. Because even the cold water, it's not as chilled as it is when you put it in the fridge for a while. Not even that long actually. And then we're just going to serve it. So you can actually put it on some lettuce wrap. You can have
Bread
it
as a
on-
sandwich.
or on the top of a salad, or
Crackers.
crackers, and we're gonna just put it on crackers today.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
That smells yummy.
Yeah. And the sweetness of the grapes just really tops it up. This is really good with bread too, as a sandwich. And you can do this anywhere. You can take all the ingredients, leave them dry into a Ziploc bag, and just add the water and mayo when you get to work for a quick lunch.
Even if you actually bundle everything up and go camping, you can make yourself a great salad camping, and it's just hard to believe that you can actually have that type of food when you're camping.
Well, you just take all the ingredients, put it in Ziploc dry, and then when you're there, you add the water and your mayo and go from there. So a lot of our ingredients are like that. My kids take it for lunches instead of buying a hot lunch, they just take this to school with them, add the water, let it sit, and then have their lunch. So this is just a great way to have a quick chicken salad with some grapes.
So it is delicious. And we will post the recipe below so you can enjoy that recipe as well. And
Give us a thumbs up.
Right, and if you haven't subscribed, then please do that and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we post a new video.
And remember,
You can do this too.